Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. Assembly Video Series. How to install the router on your Shark CNC HD series. First, loosen the 2 screws on the left side of the router clamp enough to make room for the router. Insert the router. Once the router is properly positioned, tighten the bolts on the left side of the router clamp. Ensure that the router cable is away from the back of the Shark CNC. Align the router cable along the drag chain. We recommend using zip ties to secure the cable to the drag chain. You have now successfully installed the router on your Shark CNC HD series. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of Next Wave CNC Sharks official dealers nationwide. All Next Wave CNC products include lifetime support. Shark, world class, made in USA.